Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pipedrive reporting to forecast revenue. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Pipedrive reporting for accurate revenue forecasting, first, log into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the home icon. In the top menu, locate and click on the Reports option. Once on the Reports page, you will see various reporting options. Select Sales Forecast from the drop-down menu. In the Sales Forecast section, review the default forecast settings displayed. To customize your forecast, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust the time frame for the forecast, such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Next, select the specific pipeline you want to forecast from the available options. You can also choose to include specific stages within that pipeline for more granular insights. Once you've made your selections, click on Save or Apply to update the settings. Now, scroll down to view the visual representation of your sales forecast. Take note of the projected revenue figures and target dates. To enhance your reporting, explore additional filters such as owner or team. If needed, you can export the forecast data by clicking the export icon located at the top right. Customize the report format based on your needs, either as a CSV or PDF. Finally, regularly revisit your reports to compare projected revenue against actual sales. This practice will help refine your forecasting accuracy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.